Okay, guys, our next video notes is going to be over absolute value. Okay, this is going to be the first thing that we cover with our integers other than vocabulary. Okay, so let's just get started on working on these. So it says the absolute value of a number is a number's distance from zero. Okay, a number's distance from zero on a number line. Okay, if you did your vocabulary, hopefully you remember that. Okay, absolute value is always a positive number. Okay, did you notice that? Always a positive number. Okay, distance is never going to be negative. Think about it. If I take 2 steps forward or 2 steps backwards, I still took 2 steps. The only thing that changed was my direction. Okay, absolute value is represented by these straight lines that look like this. Okay, so, oh, just right here. There's our example. If you take 3 steps forward or 3 steps backwards, you have still taken 3 steps, no matter what. Okay, remember, road signs always have positive numbers. You've never seen a road sign that has negative numbers on it, okay, because positive numbers show distance. Distance is always going to be positive. Okay, so if we're looking for, like this one, our 3 steps forward or 3 steps backwards, if I start here and I go 1, 2, 3, there's my 3 steps forward, and then I go 1, 2, 3, my 3 steps backwards, I've still gone 3 steps. It doesn't matter which direction. So the absolute value of negative 3 is 3, and the absolute value of 3 is still 3, because it's always positive. Okay, so for a few examples here, let's practice a little bit more. Okay, remember this is the distance from 0. If it's 5 away from 0, its absolute value is just 5. If I've taken 11 steps negative, 11 steps to the left on my number line, I've still gone 11 steps. Okay, same thing here. We just did this one. The absolute value of 3 is still going to be 3. Your absolute value cannot be negative. So if I take 13 steps backwards, I've still gone 13 steps. If I take 7 steps forward, I've gone 7 steps. If I swim 14 feet on my backwards, I have still gone 14 feet. Guys, distance cannot be 0. Okay, that's a big key thing here. A lot of people will still see that negative and write negative. No, we're just saying how far we went. So if we went 2 steps forward, our absolute value is 2. If I went 4 steps backwards, my absolute value would be 4. And then if I go 10 steps forward, my absolute value is 10. Hopefully this will be a standard that we'll be able to get pretty easily, because I don't really feel that this is one of the most difficult things that we've done by far. So hopefully you guys get this. If not, we're going to practice with it some more and make sure that you're asking questions. Have a great day.